Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. So we need to put the limit to change this one in here, and that is about 8 approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from 0 to 8. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask the s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0 that's it from here. So we put number 0 colon here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to 8, so we put the value of 8 colon here. So u equals to 8 squared plus 1. So number 0 we change for number 1. 8 we change for s squared plus 1. This one we change for u. To ask the s we change for the u. The integration of this one, that is about negative 1 over u, and we put the bounds from number 1 to this one. So in this situation, I will put this one colon here, number 1 colon here. So we have like this. So when a approach to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. So we just have only 0 plus 1, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.